The Clarke CCO14D 14-inch abrasive cut-off saw is designed for workshop or on-site use. This robust and powerful high-speed saw slices quickly and cleanly through ferrous metal bar, tube and profile up to 9 inches or 230 millimeters wide. Don't struggle with a hacksaw. The CCO14D will cut quickly, cleanly and accurately every time. The powerful 2000-watt motor spins at 3,800 RPM off-load, cutting through stock like a hot knife through butter, quickly preparing material for your construction projects. The CCO14D comes complete with an abrasive cutting disc and a holding vise. Suitable cutting discs are of the commonly available 355mm diameter. The vise is adjustable up to 45 degrees using the handy accurate scale to simply enable cutting at an angle. Round stock of up to 130mm diameter can be cut, as well as rectangular stock up to 115mm high. Remember to always use the appropriate personal protective equipment whenever operating machinery, all of which is available from your local Clarke stockist. The CCO14D includes full safety guarding and incorporates a convenient carry handle. It will give you many years of great service.